Paying with Cash App on Dhgate is quite simple. Today, I'll guide you through 2 methods to do it. The first method involves using PayPal. Start by linking your Cash App card to PayPal. Open the Cash App and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Linked Accounts and then add your bank details. Enter your PayPal account information and tap on the link. Now, add the items you want to purchase to your Dhgate cart and proceed to checkout. Select PayPal as the payment method, log into your PayPal account, and complete the payment. The second method is using Pioneer. Begin by going to the Pioneer website and clicking on Sign Up. Enter your personal details and create a password. Verify your email address and phone number. Then, link your Cash App card to Pioneer. Log into your Pioneer account, click on Settings, then select Cards, and click on the Add New Card button. Add your Cash App details and tap on Add Card. Now, add the items you want to purchase to your Dhgate cart and proceed to checkout. Select Pioneer as the payment method, log into your Pioneer account, and complete the payment.